Good morning everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. Of course, we're gonna cover also some altcoins, guys, since the show right now is over in the altcoins. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed here in the crypto cave. Alessandro here, and of course I'm updating you every day what is going on here in the crypto space, and also whatever I am trading, what I am doing here, whatever, guys. I'm always uploading at least a video a day, and today probably we're gonna do different videos because we have different altcoins as well to cover. But in this video we're gonna focus a bit more into Bitcoin, and therefore make sure to be subscribed, check out all exchanges that I'm using, and of course also new upcoming crypto projects, and join my other social media planets or channels as well, like Discord, Instagram, BitChute, Odyssey, and so on. Make sure to be diversified also there, guys, like Odyssey and BitChute as well, because unfortunately on YouTube more and more censorship is happening. I heard that now even people that are streaming games on emulators, they are getting in jail and stuff like that. So it's crazy what is going on here with YouTube. So that's why make sure to be also diversified into different crypto channels, also Telegram, X, and so on. TikTok I also have where I'm uploading most of the time some shorts, so definitely check it out. And remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just here to entertain you, and of course sharing all my crypto journeys, trading setups, buying and selling all the cryptos that I want, and so on. So I'm sharing everything that I'm doing here in the crypto space. I'm not a financial advisor. And also, if you want to check out all the newest stuff that I'm trying out here, the new upcoming crypto projects you're gonna find here. Not all of them are just meme coins, some of them are utility coins, or also here Box Chain is a completely new chain that is coming out that you can try it out for free. You can even claim every 24 hours some coins here, and also of course buy some. I bought a bit here into Box Chain as well. If you want to do that, links in the video description, guys, because here you can get some AI tools and news about the crypto space and so on. There are also different tasks that you can do every day here and get some free coins. The coin is not out yet, the Box coin, but you can claim every day some free coins here if you're tuning in. They're working here with these airdrop systems, and also with those free tokens that you can claim here every 24 hours before this coin, of course, is launching as well. All right, so let's dive here in the Bitcoin price, guys, because Bitcoin is not moving that much at the moment. This consolidation is actually bullish, and also I am about to open up most likely a long position very soon. Not yet, I'm always waiting here in the 3-hour time frame to get everywhere the buy signals, but I think that we have it almost confirmed here. We are in oversold condition, and we most likely gonna have here another little run up, and currently we are building up here in the lower time frames, higher lows and higher highs, and that's why I think that very soon we're gonna go to higher levels. But we have to keep an eye here also into the higher time frames, like the daily, which is still getting rejected by the top side of the Keltner channels. So here I'm a bit skeptical right now. We have a resistance at 120k. Once we have daily close above, then I think we're gonna go to new all-time highs and see an insane huge price increase in the Bitcoin price, because the next major resistance is at 145k. Up here we have strong resistance coming from the next FIP extension level, and also from our resistance curve that is here around since always. So since Bitcoin exists, basically, because this resistance trend line, this is my connection between all highs of Bitcoin. And if we do a curve here, you can see that the next potential top would be in here at 145k. But I believe that in this run, we're gonna overshoot that target. I don't expect that we're gonna stop here. I still expect that Bitcoin will reach something like $200,000 to $220,000 at least, and probably also go higher than that. And right now, of course, we are seeing also the Bitcoin dominance falling off the cliffs. I want to see the dominance below the 50 weekly moving average, so below 60%. Then I think we're gonna go into a monster altcoin season. And until then, here, of course, this could be a bouncy area, because also here we bounced from the 50 weekly and then continue to go higher. So this is what we have to keep an eye on. And of course, meanwhile, while the dominance is falling, we are seeing the altcoins pumping nicely. And this is, of course, also because Ethereum finally is pushing to the upside. And Ethereum is the second biggest cryptocurrency, and that's why as soon as Ethereum is making big moves to the upside and is outperforming Bitcoin, then of course we see the dominance going down, because with Ethereum also all the other altcoins are moving to the upside most of the times. And we are seeing also today, for example, Dogecoin still pumping nicely, Bonk, Mudang, a lot of meme coins, and you can see that most of the meme coins, they're performing better than utility coins. And this is why I'm also buying into new meme coins, new low market cap meme coins that are coming out, because of course they are high risk, but if they're coming out and they're going to be successful, then of course we have here good chances to make some nice gains with those meme coins and new launching coins, and accumulate like that also my more Bitcoin. This is my goal, to accumulate more Bitcoin for the long term. I'm always taking all gains into Bitcoin, doesn't matter what, because with Bitcoin I know, at least in my opinion, that even if I have to survive another bear market with Bitcoin, Bitcoin will come back and Bitcoin will go again to new all-time highs. That's just the nature of Bitcoin. Of course, no financial advice, guys, just my own opinions. But with those meme coins, with those new coins that are launching, often you can do nice gains, but those are coins that I would never keep for many years or even during a bear market, because you never know if they're coming back, and if they're coming back, if they're really going to create new all-time highs or not. And that's why I'm converting always all my gains into Bitcoin and like that accumulate more Bitcoin. And we have currently a bunch of new coins coming out. Rank number 5 is also Subti, guys. I have to update on this one here as well, because right now they have the staking mechanism online. Until now, you could just buy the coins and keep it here until launch. And right now, also staking is possible here with 20% API. It's not that much, but as you can see, those are all AI generated models or influencers. So you can basically create here your own character and your own influencer basically, and let it run on different social media platforms, for example. So this is a completely new project, an AI model creation tool that is coming out, and also they are launching their own token. As always, guys, now it's a big trend that all those new projects and companies are launching their own coins, and you can also buy into this one if you want and stake it for 20% API. The link to SubD AI creator token is right here in the video description, so check it out, guys. And of course, we also have some other very good utility coins, like this, the first decentralized exchange on top of XRP. So also in XRP, we have new projects coming out that is, of course, extremely bullish. And that's why I think that if we have a look here into XRP, let me quickly check, because a long time I didn't go into XRP. You can see that also here we are about to create new all-time highs. That's completely insane what XRP is doing. And after this multi-year consolidation, I think that we're going to have also a multi-year bull run, at least to $10 in my opinion, probably even higher than that. That would be only like a 3x from now. And of course, that would be nice to do a 3x. But of course, if you're investing into new coins like maybe DXRP, you would have kind of a leverage inside, because if this one is coming out and this is the first decentralized exchange on XRP, then of course the coin can go to the moon. And even just if it's launching here at the listing price of 35 cents, right now, if you're joining, you can of course buy at the first stages down here. I bought already down here when it started, and you can see that at the end it's going to be exponentially to the upside until the launch price. And for this project, I'm also bullish, not only for the price increase, but also for the project itself. And of course, we also have many others that are upcoming that you can check out here in the video description that currently are going viral. Some of them already are out, some of them not. The ones that are not out yet, you're going to find here in the video description the complete list. And of course, also Pepeto is back, guys. So the website had some major updates that you can check out here on their X account. I have seen that on X it was written that they're gonna take off the exchange for a bit, the website for a bit, because they have to prepare basically the website for the big exchange launch. And hopefully this one also will come out soon, so let's see. Anyway, guys, I am diversified into all of them, because then as soon as I see somewhere that a coin is about to come out, I definitely then gonna keep you updated. And until then, we just distribute, or at least this is what I'm doing. I'm distributing my money into different new coins. And then as soon as I see that one of them is coming out, I update you, of course. And currently there is nowhere a launch date. All of them are during the pre-market phase. And that's why I'm always keeping you updated, guys. And the complete list you're gonna find here in the video description. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna do some nice update videos today. It is Saturday, and here in Switzerland, it's about to be raining during the whole weekend, and stormy weather is upcoming. That's why perfect to do some gaming sessions, and of course also to do some videos here and update here what is going on in the crypto space. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.